such a pretty little lady. I hope you enjoy your day and God bless you.
Leads us right back home, back home. 'Cause this world keeps spinning faster.
May all your wishes come true, and we wish you all the best sa studies, especially sa family.
It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Feel your
Dear Amira, happy 7th birthday. I wish that you are always healthy, safe, and happy. Thank you for your friendship.
grow, so let's go. 'Cause this world keeps spinning.
Happy birthday, Amira. Thank you for inviting me to your 7th birthday.
All our shooting stars align. It's our time.
Tulad ng dalangin ko sa Panginoon, lagi kong pinagdarasal na lagi kanyang samahan, gabayan hanggang sa paglaki mo. I love you, mahal ka namin ni Lolo at saka ni Lola.
'Cause it's our time.
Si Amira, she's very such an easy baby talaga. Ever since, kahit nung nabuntis ako, actually kaya nga Amira yung name niya. Si daddy niya yung nagbigay. Kasi she is really a miracle.
It was unexpected talaga.
Yes.
Lasa dumating.
For a sight, I was lost in.
Happy birthday, Amira! Continue mo lang yung pagiging super bait mo na bata, and sana patuloy mo lang yung mga gusto mong gawin.
I'm all in, I'm all in, I'm running head first into the sun. I'm all in, I'm all in, I'm right on the edge. It's all or nothing. I'll finally free, and the air takes me. I'm all in now. At first I'm going all in.
You know, pag may sakit kami, siya lang talaga yung nag-aalaga sa amin. Ever since, no, kahit nung baby pa siya.
Really, ano siya,
Caring.
It's all or nothing.
Lagi kami nagbabonding, like, lumalabas kami. Kung ano-ano na lang ginagawa namin, like, we're always playing with our cat and a lot more.
I'm all in.
Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy, ni Sisi, ni Lolo, ni Lola, lahat ng mga pinsan mo, titos and titas.
NSCC group.
Yes, and the sleigh group and the ballerina sisters. Mahal na mahal ka nila.
I'm all in. I'll chase the shootings.
Happy birthday, Amira. Magpapabait ka lagi. Sana paglaki mo, Amira, hindi magbago yung ugali mo. Sobrang bait ka talaga. Happy birthday, Amira. I love you. I miss you. Mahal kita, Amira. Para kita nga apo talaga. Totoo lang.
Something big, 'cause life is better when it's lived. It's all.
We are very happy to witness you grow from a very shy-type girl. Now, sobrang kulit, sobrang masaya kasama.
Hold my head up high. Look at the world straight in the eye and say I'll take on every day. Like there's nothing in my way. Hold my head up high. Look at
Happy birthday, Amira. I hope we be best friends forever until we get old. I you memorize myself so that we can be friends until forever.
Spread my wings. I feel like my heart air balloon.
That all of her dreams in the future will come true and always continue to be happy.
Wala, lagi na siya may mga, pag may nakikita siya, gusto niya ipagawa sa akin. Makikita niyo ng mga tutorials sa YouTube, ganyan. Gusto niya laging gagayahin yun.
Kasi yung pagiging creative ni Amira, sa kanya nakuha.
Sa halos lahat makita niya, gusto niya i-replicate namin.
Sana lumaki ka mabait at masunuring bata sa iyong mga magulang at may takot sa Diyos.
Like there's nothing in my way.
I wish she will be nice to everyone and she's always the best for everyone.
Gonna take a leap. I'm ready to be free. Spread my wings. Spread my wings.
Happy birthday, Amira, and I love you so much. Zizi is always here to guide you.
Happy birthday! Hope you grow up to be a kind, loving, sweet kid. And always remember, Tito is always here for you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Amira! Happy birthday, Amira! Happy birthday, Amira!
Happy birthday, Amira!
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I love you.
Spread my wings. Spread my wings.
Thank you for coming my birthday party.